everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today we're doing another unboxing and first impression of a boot brand I previously never talked about on this channel. And that is none other than Beckett Simonon. If you haven't heard of Beckett Simonon, I highly recommend you guys go check out their website, as they have a lot of different styles of boots, but also sneakers, and they are all made to order. And that's what sets this brand apart from all the other brands out there. I'll also be talking about the Beckett Simonon experience. That's what they call it. Since this pair of boots is made to order, I'm gonna be talking about how long it took from me ordering it to me actually getting this pair of boots. And be sure to watch the very end of this video, as I'll be giving all of you guys an on-feet look of this pair of boots, as sometimes a few photos online isn't accurate to what the actual boot looks like in natural, normal, everyday lighting. So I'll be giving you guys an on-feet look to give you guys a real expectation of what these boots will look like as you get them straight out of the box. Before we dive into this video, if you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's gonna help me out a ton, and I would really appreciate it. It's just one click. Thank you guys. Without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing and talk about the Beckett Simonon experience. First off, the packaging. Gotta say, I love the minimalist look of this box. Love the green, clean looking box. And on the top here, in gold foiling, it says Beckett Simonon. Nothing on the sides. So I love the very simple packaging. I'm gonna give you guys the first look as usual. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, what do you guys see? Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Love how neatly packaged it is. Both pairs are sealed in these dust bags, really nice high quality dust bags it looks like, and it comes with a card. I always love getting these cards. Hopefully it's handwritten, but on top here it says Beckett Simonon. Not sure if you can see that. On the back side it has a B. Let's go ahead and see. Ooh, it is a handwritten letter. I always love these handwritten letters. Just puts a lot of thought and attention to detail in this packaging and the whole Beckett Simonon experience. It says, thanks for your purchase. Your support means a lot. A special gift for you. What does it say? Whoa, you get 20% off your next order. So if you do decide to purchase more than one pair of shoes or boots from Beckett Simonon, I highly recommend buying one first, getting this nice special gift, and then on your second purchase you can get 20% off. That's pretty cool. Fit and returns. So that's pretty cool. It has this handwritten note and a 20% discount for your next pair of boots. Ooh, and on the inside of the top of the box it says, handcrafted products designed to last. Our mission is to produce long-lasting, ethically made products that bring you joy for years and may even be passed down to your future generations. Now let's come to the main event and talk about the boots. Like I said earlier, I love how the boots are neatly put in these dust pouches to keep them clean. Look at this. Look at these Chelsea boots. These are very similar to Thursday Legends, I gotta say, so I could do a comparison about those boots. Gotta say, upon first getting these boots out of the box, these are very light boots. These are supposed to be waterproof boots as well. So to be waterproof and very lightweight, that is something that's not very common. A lot of waterproof boots are a lot heavier, but this is very lightweight. And I think it's gonna be very comfortable since it's lightweight. Also in the box, it comes with extra insoles. I've never seen this from any other boot brand, but it comes with extra insoles. It does look like the boot already comes with insoles, so these are extra insoles. Alright, getting these boots out of the box, and my first impressions of them are that the photos on the website definitely don't do it justice, especially since these are black boots and it's hard to capture the details of black products. So the photos on the website, there's only 4 or 5 photos on the website, not a whole lot of product photos. Looking at this boot in general. So that's what I'm here for, to give you guys an accurate look of what this boot looks like in everyday, normal, natural lighting. But the photos on the website, there's like only 4 photos and they don't do it justice. Like here, for example, the elastic part of the boot, it has this really nice leather grain pattern. However, it's really hard to see on the website. I would never have guessed it had this pattern on the photos of the website. It does also have a 300-degree stitching. I believe it is Blake stitch. I always like a 300-degree stitch on my pair of boots as it keeps water, moisture out of the shoe. It also has this really nice waterproof membrane lining on the inside, which is supposed to keep water out from your feet. Like I said, this pair is waterproof. It's a nice, stylish pair of boots that's also waterproof. That's pretty cool. And lightweight. I like that there are 2 pull tabs. I've never had a Chelsea boot with 2 pull tabs. Makes it probably just easier to put on. And another thing we should definitely talk about is this EVA foam sole. The EVA foam sole is what makes this pair of boots really lightweight, really comfortable straight out of the box. However, there is one downside to EVA foam, and that is over the course of time, as you wear this boot, the foam could compress. Look at the soles down here, has that nice traction. This leather is a pull-up leather, and on their website they say pull-up leather uses full grain leather and natural oils are infused to the leather during the tanning process. Next off, let's talk about the Beckett Simonon experience, as they call it. But before we dive into that, if you guys do like this pair of boots or want to purchase any pair of boots from Beckett Simonon, be sure to use the link down below in the description. It's gonna help me out a ton. Just one click on that, find the boot you like and purchase it. They will make your pair of boots made to order. Like I said earlier, these boots are made to order. So it's gonna take a lot longer than other branded boots that have stock in their storage. Other brands, you buy them, they send them out, you can get them within a week. However, your boots are made to order. So once you purchase them, you pay them, then they start making your boot. And that's why it takes much longer for you to get your pair of boots. For me personally, I ordered these pair of boots on February 14th, Valentine's Day, February 14th. And I got them this month, April 10th. That's roughly 2 months. That's a pretty long time to get your boots. That's another thing to think about when you want to get a pair of boots. How soon do you want them? If you have an event coming up, if you do have an event and you want to wear these cool boots, probably have to order them 2 months ahead of the event. So that's just something to keep in mind. But I do really like the made to order. I've never had a pair of boots that are made to order specifically for me. Their customer service is on top of it. Throughout the whole process, their customer service team is always sending you emails and updates, so never once you are worried. And to me, that's very important when I'm buying a pair of boots that's made to order and it's taking a long time. I never want to worry and be like, is my boot coming? You never felt that feeling once. As soon as you purchase your pair of boots, they will send you a confirmation email saying they got your order and they're working on your boots. A few weeks later, they'll email you again, letting you know the process of the boot. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to email them, write them a message, they'll get back to you immediately. So I gotta say, the customer service on Beckett Simonon is top notch. They really take a good care of you in this whole made to order process. Overall, first impression of this pair of boots is I'm very impressed. This is a really cool silhouette that I really like. I love the Chelsea style. Love the EVA foam, that's something that's new to me. I love the 360-degree welt. Not just the boots that I'm impressed with, but the brand Beckett Simonon. The whole Beckett Simonon experience, from ordering the boots, to their customer service team giving you updates, to the packaging, to the attention to detail. It just feels like a luxury brand, feels like the next level. So if you can afford this pair of boots, I would highly recommend checking out Beckett Simonon. Like I said earlier, they have a lot of different styles, so you are bound to find one that fits you. Let's go ahead and go outside to put these boots on feet to show you guys what they really look like, show you guys how to style them, and then we'll come back, talk about the sizing and comfortability straight out of the box. You guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that on-feet look of the Silva Chelsea boot from Beckett Simonon. First impressions are, wow, these are very comfortable. The EVA foam is very nice and lightweight, and straight out of the box, it is very comfortable. It's a little bit nice and snug, but no break-in period required. For me, my shoe size, I usually wear 8.5. Size 8. I got size 8 for these boots because usually boots you have to size down and they fit nice and snug. Not too tight. There's still plenty of room in the toe box, but nice and perfectly snug. Overall, I gotta say, I'm really impressed with Beckett Simonon, especially these boots. I love the silhouette, the comfortability, the lightweight, the waterproof, and the brand as a whole. Made to order boots coming at only $299 with the attention to detail, the packaging. However, the one big drawback with purchasing from Beckett Simonon, I do have to mention, is that long wait time from February 14th and I got them April 10th. That's close to 2 months. So if you can wait 2 months to get a pair of boots that's made to order, I would highly recommend them. Like I said before, they have so many different styles. You're bound to find one that you do like. If you do want to purchase them, be sure to use the link down below. But overall, that's going to be my first impression and unboxing of the Silva boot from Beckett Simonon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have you guys heard of Beckett Simonon? If you guys have any boots from them, let me know which ones you have. I'll have to check them out. And be sure to subscribe if you guys aren't already. Leave comments, leave a like, and oh my gosh, look at my hands. That's kind of crazy, right? I don't want to be exaggerating, but I have never unboxed, reviewed boots like this, and my hand's getting like this. Look at that. Is it me? Is it me? That's kind of crazy, right? I'll see you guys later. Bye.